Hey guys, back out here in Mount Hope. We got most of the house down. It's just in piles now, so we're going to be adding that to the main burn pile. So I'll swing it around. You can see it used to be a house here about 5 hours ago. So there's the addition that we built. We were able to get everything down without damaging the corner of the addition, which is good. Just got a lot of debris here that we still need to bring on over to the main pile over here. So it just takes some time. The machine can only reach so far, so get a little bit at a time. But came down pretty quick.